Hello there, and I'm here to talk to you about this Call of Duty Black Ops bundle. Now, as you could tell, it is for Xbox 360. It has the logo up top with the traditional Xbox green along the sides. It shows that you get all three Black Ops games, which is a super good deal. Um, Having them all in one case makes it super convenient. I love the packaging. As you could tell, one of the discs is already in my Xbox. So yeah, it just makes it super easy for storage so that you have all three of them together. That is the art for the side, and this is the art for the back. Now, if you don't know what Call of Duty is, it is a first-person shooter game. Call of Duty is a very well-known game. They have many, many different games besides Black Ops, and they have different ones. It's just a shooting game. You can shoot zombies, or they have campaign where you can do it against other players, or if you're doing multiplayer. It is really fun, and to find all three of them in one box makes it super convenient, and it gives you so much things to play just with one case. One case of games gives you all three. So much playtime. I hope that was helpful, and that was my review. Thank you very much.